Namaskaram. In today's video, I will be telling you when I met Sadhguru for the first time and how was that experience for me and did it impact my life in some or the other way. So in the previous video, I talked about how I planned for doing the pre-Samyama meet and how Yogasanas program was a stepping stone for me to do the Samyama program. Parallel to this, one more program was going to happen. And this was really important because Sadhguru himself was coming to Toronto for the inner engineering completion. I had already done the inner engineering, so I was able to participate in this as a volunteer. Now the normal inner engineering programs which are conducted in North America are of 4 days. In that, our inner engineering teacher who is trained by Sadhguru conducts the program. This 4-day programs consist of both the things. The content of the inner engineering online and also the Shambhavi Mahamudra physical initiation. But the inner engineering completion has only the Shambhavi Mahamudra initiation. You need to have completed the inner engineering online by your own self. So it is like a prerequisite to the completion program. Now as soon as the Isha Toronto people came to know that Sadhguru himself was coming to Toronto for the mega program, we all were really excited. So before the program dates, 2 or 3 months prior of that, the preparations in Toronto began. Each and every volunteer was given some or the other activity. Now the program was going to happen on 9th and 10th of November. The entire team of volunteers, about 600 people, gathered at the venue on 7th and 8th to prepare the venue for the program. They made sure that the venue was ready to welcome 2,500 participants who were going to come to get initiated by Sadhguru. So on the day of program, I woke up really early in the morning and reached the venue. I set up my table, my laptop, and I was ready to welcome the participants. At 6 sharp, I saw a huge number of participants rushing in. I cannot tell you how joyful that moment was to see thousands of people just coming in to have a glimpse of Sadhguru. Many were Indians, many were Canadians, some appeared to be Asian, but still all of them with just one purpose. They all wanted to get initiated into something powerful, and this was really touching. All the participants were into the hall before 9 am. Around 9:15, all the volunteers gathered at the entry gate of the hall, and this was the time we were going to enter the hall. This was not easy for me. I started to shiver. I was reminded of the Dhyanalinga experience which I had, but this time it was the person who made Dhyanalinga. So it was a really very emotional moment for me. When entering the hall, my back bent like this. I was just shivering. Somebody opened the door and we understood that we were going to enter it. So I just looked like this and kept my head back. But in that one moment, I saw Sadhguru sitting far away and I started to cry so badly. I was trying to control my voice so that even if I cry, my voice should not increase. But the moment I saw him, I was out of my control. I tried to open my eyes a little bit to see where I need to go, and I sat at any nearby space which I found. I could feel the energy of the hall. It was completely different. Although he was sitting so far, he was not really far. This might look very illogical to you, but this is what I have experienced. Not just once, so many times in those 2 days of the program. So the same thing happened in the evening session also. I was just sitting there. This time I took a place where I could just see Sadhguru straight to me. I was not paying attention on what he was saying or will I miss anything important. I was just looking. I was loving this. I was in a different state altogether that entire day. So the day ended, we went back to home. The next morning again at 5 am I was at the venue. Now today the participants were going to get initiated into Shambhavi Mahamudra 2 times. First time in the morning and second time in the evening session. In the evening session, the volunteers were also allowed to be in the hall and get initiated again. But something powerful happened in the morning session also. Sadhguru conducted a powerful process. Afterwards, something shifted in me. I just sat outside the hall with my eyes closed, just like this. And suddenly, I experienced a stillness which I had never experienced before. I was seriously unaware about what is happening around me. In the evening session, the volunteers entered the hall. We sat on the backside of the hall and Sadhguru soon asked all the volunteers and the participants to close their eyes and sit. After that, the process of Shambhavi Mahamudra started. Something really great happened. Sadhguru started to clap like this. Everybody was out of the control. Some were screaming, some were crying. I was shivering and shaking like I was dancing. It is not possible for you to believe what all happens inside that hall. It is really out of this world. The energy is so high, tremendous. I was not able to control what is happening within me. So my body was going all around the place. Yes, I was aware that something was happening to me, but I was not able to control that. And Sadhguru asked us that you should not control what is happening naturally. I was not able to believe that Sadhguru just touched me in the deepest level. The program ended after that and I went home. So to conclude, I tried to explain to you something which is not physical, something which is not logical, something which is understood only when experienced. So if it feels like some unbelievable fantasy which I had, I totally agree to you. If I had not experienced it myself, and if I would hear somebody talking about it, I would not believe it either. But this is not a fantasy. This is a living reality in my life. Sadhguru's presence is such a powerful possibility for every human being that it can guide you from one dimension to the other in just a moment. If you are open, he can take you from this level to the next level in just a moment. I really hope that this video will make you consider doing the inner engineering as soon as possible. In the next video, we will move forward in my journey towards Samyam. This is all for today. Namaskar.